Hey guys, Mark here, American Suspension. I've got a great new part to tell you about. This is our RamAir Cartridge setup. We've been working 3-4 years on. What it does is it's going to allow you to, with our AR-70 front air ride setup, it's going to allow you to replace your stock damper, which has very limited valving. There's actually nothing really, so the oil flows through here out the holes. That controls your valving. Why is the valving important? Well, it's going to control the rebound so the front wheel doesn't bounce around, right? So that's the whole point of having this in your shop, front end suspension in the first place. What this is a massive upgrade. Pretty much, I would say a must-have if you really want your bike to ride, and perform improved stability during hard braking and cornering. It's going to keep the tires planted when you brake and then in steering and for traction. It's going to also reduce the front end oscillation and speed walls. So it's going to help with any bike that might have some high speed wall. It's going to help with that and to reduce that also. It's also going to deliver a predictable, confidence inspiring handling. So it's going to do a lot, and we feel its price point, it's below some of the higher end cartridges that you might see on the market. It's the only cartridge setup that works with front air ride. You can use ours, or you can use our competitors, which copied our setup, front air ride. So in any of the front air rides out there on the market that uses a piston over a spring, this is a must-have. Another key point is we have tuned these, so when you order it, you're going to order it per wheel size. So if you have a stock wheel to a 34, fat 18, fat 26, anywhere in between, you're gonna be able to pick which wheel you have. We've analyzed the wheel weight. We've dyno engineered the valving, and we're going to adjust the valving per wheel size and weight, so you get the optimal performance. So it's pre-adjusted for the big and fat wheel setup. Also works stock setup. You don't have air ride, you want a great cartridge setup, you're running a 21, fat 18, a stock wheel works great with that also. You can also use on top, it'll also just replace this with the stock internals. You don't need air ride, but the air ride, we've got tens of thousands of these out there. It's definitely an upgrade you need to do to the bike. Definitely an upgrade you need to do to the bike. It's going to make it perform that much better. We kind of have been testing this with our Mach 7R. A similar cartridge setup. It's adjustable externally. It comes with the cartridge and the external lower leg kit. We've had that on the market for quite a while. I mean, it's a game changer for the ride and performance on the front end. So basically, when you get the setup, it's going to come as a pair like this. You're going to get a new replacement rebound spring, and you're going to get some spacers. Basically, the spacers are there to configure so that you can get back to the proper height. So you're basically going to use one spacer and then the top out spring. These spacers additional will allow you to lower the bike. So another thing people ask for all the time is, hey, I thought air ride would lower my bike when I ride it. It doesn't necessarily do that, because you have to have enough air in the front to lift the bike and not bottom out all the time. So what this allows you to do is put these on below, the spring, and it allows you to reduce the ride height by 1 inch, or if you want to do it by 1/2 inch or 1 3/4 inch, it'll allow you to do that. And then the valving in here is such that it's not going to let you bottom out, because we fixed all that with the valving. The valving runs internal through these openings here, runs up inside, and then this is where the magic takes place. Is we've set this up with shims and valving. It's a piston here, and if you can see this is on a spring. So as the fluid moves, this regulates fluid flow, regulates through here based on the wheel size, weight, and it optimizes that ride. So again, it's gonna do a lot for the performance and handling of your bike. It's a pretty easy install. You're basically gonna, with your fork off your bike, you're gonna remove the bolt out of here, which is right here. This bolt comes out, best to use impact. The top out spring is gonna, or the bottom out spacer is gonna stay in there, the oil cone stop. And then this will just fall out the top. You're gonna dump the oil out. I'm gonna have a good install video here coming up about how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. And then once that's out, then you would slide this in, and then you put the bolt back in the bottom, and then you can put your air ride back in. If you have the air ride, this can be removed. We have a service tool. We also have, it's a 3/4 16 fine thread. You can get a bolt and put it in there and use it as an install or removal tool. And then you just want to re-grease this, fill this groove with grease, insert it carefully back past the threads, and you're set up. Now you've totally changed the handling of your bike. You're gonna enjoy the ride. You're gonna notice improvement right away. And we feel this is one of the best products that we've put out in a long time. So thanks guys. Check out the product at AmericanSuspension.com. And thanks for joining us. Okay, bye.